Good day, ma'am. Hello, my name is Charlemagne A. Dapitilia, a third-year BSN Pharmacy student, and for today's video, me and my partner Cindy will be talking about our proposed system called the CSU Look BH. And this is the flow of this presentation proper. And we will also present to you, ma'am, the prototype of our proposed system. So let's get started.
Good day. My name is Cindy C. Flores, a BS Forestry student from Section RSUV1. So our site is called csulook.bh. So most of the students in Caraga State University are struggling in finding comfortable and secure place to stay while they are studying and far away from their homes. It is important to address this kind of issue for the well-being of the students, especially their safety. And through this platform, finding boarding houses can be easy and less hassle for the students. Also, as technology evolved, mas mapadali siya sa student sa pagpangita o boarding houses or mastayhan nila kay pwede na makabook through online.
Moving on the system description, the online platform CSU Look BH will function just like any other accommodation booking platforms like Booking.com, Hotels.com, Trivago, and many more. The main function of the website is to provide easier and hassle-free boarding house hunting. You can look for the best boarding house near CSU just by looking at your phone and computers. For the justification, the website will be an effective solution on resolving the problem on finding a boarding house because looking at a boarding house through an app is typically a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few taps on our devices without experiencing the struggle on looking it by ourselves. So, I will share my experience, ma'am. After the announcement na mag-resume na ang face-to-face classes sa CSU 2 years ago, nangita din ko adto boarding house prior na hapit nang start sa class, 1 month na lang, so nagdali-dali din kog pangitag boarding house Ampayon. As a person nga nagpuyo sa Layo, which is sa Bayugan City, nag-travel pa ko 1 hour kapin before arriving here in Ampayon. So dira pa lang sa pag-travel pa lang hassle na siya para sa mga taga-Lagyo. Tapos pag-abot pa jud na ako diri, I was surprised kung unsa kadali ra mapuno ang mga boarding house diri sa Ampayon. Daghan kayo ko gipang inquirean na mga boarding houses pero puros na puno. Stress na kayo ko ato na mga time kay grabe ka init tapos 2 hours na ko nangita. But gladly na discover na ako ning boarding house na akong gipuyan karon after 2 hours kapin. I thought makaulit na dayon ko ato nga time pero dili pa di ay kay naghulat pa kog 6 hours sa tag-iya sa boarding house para maghatag sa akong advance og deposit. So from that experience, I've realized unsa kalisod para sa amo na mga taga-Lagyo mangitag mapuy-an during college. That's why we came up with this online booking platform to help fellow CSU-ones like me. This will be the implementation plan of the project. This will cover some months in 2024 and by next year, 2025. So this June until August, we will focus on capital raising or financial sourcing. Mangita mig mga partners or even sponsors to help us in terms of financial aspects that will be needed for the development of this website. On September until December in this period will be crucial during the implementation because diri nami mag-start og develop sa mismong platform with the help of mga gipang-hire namon na ICT professionals. On January to February next year 2025, mag-start na mig pang-register sa mga boarding houses here in Ampayon. We will negotiate with the landlords and landladies so that ang ilang boarding house kay available and accessible sa website. And then March, April, May will be the period of the beta testing. This is important para ma-resolve na mo dayon ang mga problem if naa, and maybe we can add new features or updates para sa final launching of the platform. We will focus on the user's feedbacks during this time. And lastly, on June 2025, this will be the official website launching before mag-start ang klase. The platform will become available to all students of CSU after registering.
So, resource needed. First is funds. Second is ICT professionals. So, these professionals specialize in various aspects of technology such as software development, network administration, cybersecurity, data analysis, and IT support, and among others. Next is the boarding house owners, and lastly is the users or the students. So there are potential problems that we can encounter. First is lack of funds. Second is negotiations with the boarding house owners. So, diri is possible jud na some owners kay maglisod sila trust when it comes to pakig-partnership sa mga websites because of some issues like mahadlok sila malugi, ma-scam, or close-minded lang jud ang uban when it comes to technology advancement or innovation. Next is the virus and hackers outbreaks. So, we all know nga when it comes sa websites is naadjud potential na ma-hack or ma-virusan. But we will make sure na ang among system is secured and protected by those hackers. And last is internet connection or server shutdown. The main point of this site is to help students to minimize the struggle in looking for safe boarding house, to provide transparency and affordable place. This platform is significant because this can not only help the students but also the owners. Using this system can provide an increased occupancy rates and revenues. It can also promote advanced ways of choosing and accommodations.
We are now in the final part of this presentation, and now I will be presenting to you, ma'am, the website, which is the CSU Look BH. So here, after nato ma-input ang URL sa website, which is the csulukbh.com sa atong mga browsers, mo tampa din sa tuwa ang login page sa website. Dire sa login page, makita diri sa pinakaibabaw na diri ang school email ug password tapos login. So if ever nga wala pa ka nakapa-register sa imuha o pa kay account ani nga website, you can sign up here sa ubos na portion. So needed ang imong complete name, school email og imong mag-set kag password. So after naka mag-sign up or mag-login, ang sunod ay na section is ang recommendation or magdiri makita itong mga choices sa mga boarding house near sa CSU. So prior ni nag-recommend ang website og White House Boarding House, Ryan's Boarding House o Geocats Boarding House. So gi-indicate na po diri nga ilang prices monthly, tapos naay option diri nga check now nga button. So pag tuplokon nimo ng check now na button, so mo nimo tambadayon mga important details or other information about sa boarding house. So example kini White House Boarding House na gibutang sa important details is located right in front of the CHED building, all genders allowed, 10 PM curfew on others. Tapos sa bottom part na diri ang book now. So if tuplokon nimo ng book now, na choices dayon na choices na reserve, tapos pwede ka mag-pay via GCash para makapa-reserve na dayon ka diretso. Pero napod ni siya, pwede po ka mag-appointment, mag-set og appointment date para kung kano sa ka-available na pwede ka mato sa boarding house para ikaw mismo magbayad or magpa-reserve sa mismo or magipag-negotiate mismo sa landladies or landlords. So after completing your negotiation with the landlord boarding house, after mo makabook, so last section sa website will be the contact information. So, gibutang na mo diri among email o ang contact number. Good job, Cindy and Charlemagne. May uno kayo sa akin. Oh my God, thank you kayo, ma'am. God bless, ma'am. That would be all. Thank you.